Alright, so we have my father. He's going to be testing out the Glock 27 that I put the ghost connector in. Good to get used to. Yeah, it's definitely a lighter trigger pull. I think it's about 4.5 pounds. Ooh,
what does it come? What kind of trigger pull does it come with?
Well, it says that it's a 3.5 connector. We'll know exactly what we get to when we go inside. But it says it's a 3.5 connector, but I didn't do all the springs. So with the OEM, I'm really thinking it's kind of come out to like 4.5. Under 5? Okay. Alright, ghost connector, Glock 27, 40 caliber. Let's see.
Okay.
This is the smallest 40
Should
caliber.
be 2 in this one, right? There should be 2 in that one.
No, there's 2 in this one.
Right here.
Oh yeah, you doubled that up.
Yeah, and
Right there.
oh, nice.
Good shot.
Okay.
Sometimes when walking around with this, I feel like one of those douchey vloggers with a selfie stick. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, it kind of looks like it helps grouping, doesn't it? So yeah, it doesn't make you a better shooter, but if you're good at grouping it may help. Let's see. You got a nice little triangle. And that's a 40 caliber, so you got a little kick.
There you go.
Wanna give it one more try?
Yeah, man.
Try to get 3 in the head.
Yeah.
If you can hit that right there, you get 3.
These are our last shots right here. That's because she's a zombie.
Yeah, that's true, but if you hit this...
Okay, I'm gonna put one right there.
Alright. And let's see how we did. We're still walking them out. We're waiting on our new scope to come in, but we're shooting at a really short distance today. Only 15 yards, so you guys don't have to hear me ramble a bunch. One, 2, 3.
Okay.
So we're going for right here. We pretty much got all the areas covered. She would have moved.